What's good, YouTube? We back, man. Running a little bit late, typical. Usually we're running late, but today a cool little update for y'all. And as you can see, we got some of the interior pieces back. So this is wrapped suede now, all black suede. The interior is all suede, all the way up, all the way back. This is the only spot I got to do. This still needs to be matching this, but everything else is pretty much tan. Yeah, today's a maintenance day, so I'm going to work on the J-Tune. But today we're doing spark plugs. Definitely time to change the spark plugs. We're doing an oil change, and we're going to seafoam the motor. I've never done that. I have 116,000 miles on there, so we're gonna seafoam the motor. Hopefully it's not too fucking dirty, but that should be cool. I'll definitely record that, show you guys that. So usually when you dump that shit in, there's a bunch of smoke that comes out, cleans all your carbon that's in the motor. It's due. So hopefully after today, it should be running a lot better. We might throw back on the dyno just to see if the new spark plugs I have in give us a little bit right now for it to get done, y'all. A little seafoam action. Here you go, you can start it. Oh Lord.
You feeling ready? Alright, good.
We'll start.
I think it should start on the other side.
Food truck on the way, by the way. Going to the shop. I know. Of course. Hell yeah. That's lit. Traffic will be lit. Yep. Alright, y'all. I'm getting the oil change done. I don't know if you can see much, but this shit was filthy black, yeah. Oil change done, oil filter again done. Seafoam's already been done. Running the motor oil. Huh?
So the AC is recharged.
Yep, we're in there ready. I'll give you guys updated when we do. Dirty ass spark plugs, y'all. These shit's got like 100,000 miles on these things. Maybe a little more. See the live, fresh oil, fresh spark plugs. good, man. Sounded good. Anyone? Huh? What'd you say?